Just wanted to give a huge shout out to QEP. I won their Pro Starter contest a while back. Just been so busy, I haven't had really a chance. I wanted to do an unboxing just to show you all the cool things that I received. So here we go. A giant box, by the way. It's as big as me. I would definitely put everything to good use. I'm just about to start on the next house project here. Let's get to it. I've been using their products for many years and I never win any contests at all. So this is like the first one I've won in probably since I was like 8 years old. So it's like, I feel like hitting Christmas right now. Okay, we got the mallet, rubber mallet. Start pulling everything out here. We have different sponges, cleaning off all the grout haze. We have a max performance and absorption. Got a bunch of those. I'm always using a ton of these. And if you do tile, you know, like as soon as you go over it once, you're wringing these out. Just to get it really clean, you have to get on to the next one. So it's nice to have a good assortment. These are all the same here. Okay, diamond hole saw. That'll be for like when I'm doing showers. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Even though it shows a lot in the photo, it's like you don't really realize how much you have until you see it in front of you. Okay, we have different notch trowels. The cork handle ones too. I don't have any like this, so that'll be something different to try. So all different sizes there, like 1/4 to 1/2 inch it looks like. All different ones depending on what size tile you're using. Mixer for the grout. This is probably the most underrated tool you need for doing tile, just a margin trowel. So as you put up, pretend this is a piece of tile, you just go around, scrape off the mortar, so when you put your spacers in, once you set that tile down, it doesn't squeeze through. Just doing that little step there saves you so much cleanup later. Nice rubber float. I actually like this compared to my other ones. I have another QEP one, it's really stiff, but you can see has a nice flex to it. So as you're pushing it into the grout lines, it will actually get in there a lot easier. We'll give this a try, see how it works. A diamond sanding block, so when we make our cuts, we can get rid of that edge. You always have like a sharp edge on your cuts. This will knock that down there a little bit. Of course, got a QEP bucket. I go through an insane amount of buckets, so that is always welcome. Okay, bucket scoop. Now, I started using these a long time ago for when I do drywall, because you get down to the bottom instead of wasting any mud or just hard to get out. It contours around, try to show you here, contours around the edge. So when you get down to the bottom, you can get out of your mortar out, because as you know, mortar is very expensive. Some of the bags I use are $40 a bag, so you don't want to waste anything. Okay, see what's in here. Like I said, I feel like Kid Christmas here. Awesome. Got a QEP shirt. Here's the back of it. And the front. Again, I'm definitely excited to actually win something, and it's all things I use, so that's the best part. A lot of the QEP tools I've had for a really long time. As long as you take care of your tools, they last really, really long. I've been doing this for probably like 20-something years now. Now the shirt. And as you know, working with towel, you make a mess, you get all over you, so that's definitely appreciated. Okay, here's more sponges. best sponge. Can never have enough. I'm really glad this came because I don't have this. The tile trim square. So when I'm doing like Schluter showers and things like that, you have a profile edge. You can put it on here and put it in your miter saw, and you're going to get the angle you want. It's holding it in place very nicely. You can actually see kind of in the photo there. So I've been wanting to get one of these, so we're going to give that a shot. I will be doing some showers, a shower on this house. It's a duplex. Shower here and a shower on the other side. So give some of these a try. These are hands down my favorite thing for tiles, these spacers. I haven't used the extreme ones. I have the regular ones and they've been working amazing. I've done a lot of tile work in kitchens, showers, flooring, things like that. Have not tried the extreme versions yet. You have the wedge and then the clips. And what these are for, if you're not familiar, they will basically make sure you have no lippage. And what lippage is like if you have your tile sticking up a little bit, you're going to hit it with your toe or your shoe or whatever you're walking in. So these here, when you put the, let me try to hold this here. So you have your spacer that will go under your tile. When you slide the clip through, it'll actually make this come down and be flush. That way you have no lippage whatsoever, and you have a professional job. Cool part about these too is once you have the wedges, these are reusable. You just wash them when you're done. You can use them on the next job. The clips you break off and you just buy a new box at the store. So definitely want to try out the Extreme series. Haven't used those, like I said, but we're going to. Again, thank you so much to QEP. Again, kid of Christmas right now. I love getting tools. Free tools too. So glad I won the contest. I'll make some more videos coming up here. If you have any questions, drop them below, or maybe some tile questions. I'm not a professional, but I flip and rent houses. So I've done a lot of tile work through the years, and I'm extremely familiar with everything to do, all aspects of tiling. So we should show you some of the projects we have coming up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and definitely check out the QEP website, which I'll put below, and also their social media. You can check out all their great products they have to offer. Thanks, and see you in the next one.